Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at the Canva video editor and how you can combine and edit multiple video clips really easily. So if you're a beginner using the Canva video editor, follow along with me. So from your Canva homepage, we're going to click on the plus icon, click on create. Then you're going to type in video in the search bar. You have different options. You create a collage, a square, a mobile video, a landscape video, Facebook video. So just for this tutorial, I'm going to click on landscape video and a new blank canvas will pop up. So now you can start editing your video and combining multiple clips. So on the left-hand side, you have the uploads tab where you can upload videos, or you can see which videos you have already. If you don't have any videos and you just want to practice video editing or create something fun, you can use the videos that are available in Canva. So you can see the videos tab. So I'm going to click on that. Then you can search through the videos. So I'm just going to type in nature and see what videos come up. So as you can see, I can hover over each video and see what is happening. And then when I see what I like, I can easily drag it onto my timeline. So I just need to drag it on there, and then I can play around with the length and things like that. So I can click onto the video. If I hang over the edge, I can drag it a little bit shorter or longer, get it exactly how you want. Then it's easy to combine clips together. So if I want another clip here, all I have to do, say this one, click on it, and then it will be added to the timeline. If I want to change the order, I can drag it to the start, something like that. If I want to go back, just click undo. And again, maybe I want to add another clip. So I'm going to add this bird clip here. So again, I can go ahead, I can click on the video and I can drag and drop them a bit smaller or longer, things like that. So maybe I want to make this one a little bit shorter, things like that. And other things you can do, you can add transition. So if I hover through the center and the add transition tool pops up, so I can click on that. And I can add in transitions. So maybe this one, I can adjust the duration of the transition. And other things you can do, you can add in different photos and things like that if you want to add more still bits inside your videos. So all you have to do is here you can add different types of media. So if I wanted to add stock videos or stock photos or like a blank screen, you can do that. Adding text is really easy as well. So say I wanted to add text here, I just go to the text tab, click on heading, obviously make it a little bit larger so you can see it, and then make it different colors. And go ahead and just keep editing, move the text around, obviously write your own text in. And again, you can decide where the text starts and make it longer or shorter if you want. So that's it. That's how to animate and edit sort of video clips in Canva. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.